Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard and these are short video snippets designed to answer questions you may have about estate planning or probate. I was waiting for that roll of thunder to finish doing what it's doing. I'm recording this on Tuesday night and a storm just started here in my area, so forgive the background noise. Hopefully there won't be too much, and I'm trying to make this one a quick one. But instead of estate planning or probate, I want to talk briefly today about the new laws that went into effect here in Georgia effective July 1st. And then there goes my copier making noise. So for those of you who are Georgia residents, in case you were not aware, there were over 100 laws that went into effect yesterday. And they range in categories from like education, health and safety, finances, or more so taxes, even a couple laws related to animals. One category was termed heritage and culture, where, in case you didn't know, now we have Brunswick stew as our official state stew. Yes, it's very important that we all know that, and in case we are soon to be in a trivia contest and that comes up, you will now be in the know. But one in particular that I wanted to bring to your attention, at least for now, let me bring it up so I make sure I'm telling you the right thing. And where did it go? Was House Bill 296 related to digital driver's licenses legislation. So basically what this is that a driver's license in a certain electronic format, so for example in your digital ID wallet, now legally fulfills the requirement to carry a valid license during vehicle operation. However, there are a couple caveats to this. For one, of course, the law just came into effect yesterday, so there's still going to be a rollout for law enforcement to catch up and provide the readers, or be able to have the readers available to be able to read this on your phone, from your phone, without being able to access your phone content. And so in the meantime, it will be good to continue to carry your physical driver's license card as a backup. And then the other thing to keep in mind is that your traditional hard copy driver's license card may still be required for other things other than operating your vehicle, such as voting, or purchasing hunting license or fishing license and things like that. So it doesn't automatically do away with the physical card, but it just allows another format for having the card available, having the license available as such, in this case, digitally. So it's a voluntary adoption. You continue, of course, to use your physical card if preferred, if you're like me and kind of old school. But just understand that this is what's in effect already now. And I'm sure other jurisdictions have already done this and created this law. But as I always want to make sure you're aware, if you're not in Georgia, you want to make sure you are aware of your own jurisdiction's laws, and especially any updates. If you're on the fiscal year like we are, from July 1st to June 30th, make sure you're aware of anything that's coming on. This is supposed to be short. Make sure. Oh, I'm all over the place. Hold on. Where's my camera? This is horrible. So if you're in a jurisdiction other than Georgia, just make sure you are aware, particularly if you are on the fiscal year that, like we are, July 1st to June 30th, that you are aware of what has come down the pike in your jurisdiction. So with that said, as always, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.